Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So here we are trying to see this app/cities, right? So now the only option which is left out, that what we need to do is that deleting a city. So we have successfully completed adding a city also. Now we need to complete the deleting a city. Now if I want to delete this city, how can I delete it? Let's try to see. So for this one, where we need to go? We need to go to the cities list. So we are showing the cities list, right? So cities list, and we are looping over the each city, and we are showing the each city in the city item component. Let's open the city item component also. So this is our city item component, and here in this one, if you see in the bottom somewhere, if you go here, this is our delete. Okay, this is our delete. Now let's try to implement the on click action. So if I try to do on click is equal to here, if I show console.log of test, so I will do the test or something like this. Now if you refresh this page, and if I click on this delete option, then see what will happen. If I click on this delete option, see it is redirecting to the city details page, and also the console is also firing. So that means two events are occurring at a time. So that event is nothing but first one is the link, it is going to that particular href, and also this is also firing. So it should not happen like this. Only when you are trying to press on the delete button, only the delete action only has to perform. So what we need to do? So here let's try to remove this one. We'll create a separate function for this one. Handle delete. So this handle delete, let's go into here, and I am creating a new function, handle delete. And this is our function, and this carries an event. So you will be getting an e as an argument, event as an argument. And here I will do e.prevent default. That's it. Sorry, e.prevent default. Now it will stop bubbling of the event. Now if I click on this one, if you see here, if I click here, oh, we are not doing any console or anything, right? So let's try to do the console test. I will do the test here. Now if I refresh this page, and if I go into here delete option, now we are able to see the test is getting console in our developer tools, but it is not redirecting to that particular link. Now the thing is achieved. Now what we need to do here? So we need to delete the particular city. So how we can do it? For this one, we need to go to the city context, city context.jsx file, and here I am creating a new function delete city. Okay, delete city, and it carries an ID. Now we need to make a delete request. So let's copy this entire code, and here I will be doing this one try, and we don't need this all the response and all those things. And here you will be having $id. I will be using this $id, and the type of method is the delete, and there is no need for these all the things. So only the delete option. If you want, you can also keep it like this. And as this one is an await, so we need to use the async before this. That's it. And delete city is there, and here this is our response.json. So there is no need to have a response.json, but here the thing happens. So now you need to set the city. After the successfully it is deleted, you need to set the city. So for this one, what I can do, cities, and here instead of copying this one, we need to filter it out. Cities dot filter of city, and here I can write it something like city.id is not equal to id. That's it. That's it. Now if I go here, yeah, city.id is not equal to city. So we are trying to filter out that particular city. Now we got the delete city, and let's go here and write it here, delete city. So this is also completed. Now if I go into the city item, so here we need to call the city, delete city. So for this one, we need to import the use city. Constant delete city is equal to use city of, so something like this, and we need to call the delete city, and here I want to set the ID. So we are getting it as a prop city.id. That's it. So now we are able to achieve this one. So let's try to see whether we can able to achieve it or not. Now if I refresh this page, now if I click on this one, see I am able to delete it successfully, Tokyo. So now I am trying to delete this one, so Birmingham. So if I click on this one, Birmingham got deleted. So this is how we will be doing the handling delete. Handling delete is pretty easy. So there is nothing more logic in this one. Just we are creating a new method, delete city, and we are trying to make the fetch request, that is with a delete method post delete request, and we are trying out to filter out that cities which is having that particular ID from the cities list, and just we are calling whenever we try to click on that button, delete button, and we are calling this handle delete function, and we are calling the delete city which is present in the city context. So that's it guys about this delete city. It's pretty simple and small one. I will commit this code in a new branch, that is video-143. So whoever want to refer this code, they can go to that particular GitHub repository URL and you can take the clone of that code. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. I will try to give the reply. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.